Every role that I did has been very challenging. So if you see the Pardesh ki Bua is
absolutely.
totally different. DDLJ, hero number one ki Bua is also
More modern
different.
and
Yeah, that comedy timing, fortunately, I haven't.
You've done a whole gamut of roles. How do you draw your inspiration to stay fresh? हर बुआ अलग होती है, हर मामी अलग होती है आपकी. But how do you stay fresh?
That's because I suppose, like some people are in a profession, they do a 9 to 5 job and they take up a hobby,
Yeah.
their passion. But, acting is my passion.
Huh.
And since, unfortunately, I've been trained National School of Drama and I did a lot of theatre. So we had this thing that each person is different. So, at that time, nowadays, the scenario is very much different.
Sure.
In that time is that if a film of yours got hit, if you're a bua, so you got 10 more roles, of which I could select only 4 or 5.
Yeah. Like hero number one, you're also
Like
the
hero
bua.
number one, I was a bua. Then Pardesh, I'm a bua. DDLJ, I'm a bua.
Correct.
And there were 1 or 2 more films there was a bua. So I tried to get a little bit of difference. If you see the Pardesh ki bua is totally different. DDLJ, hero number one ki bua is also
more modern
different.
and
Yeah. So, it's not some magic that I could only do. It's just that it's like in a family, if there are 2 sisters, they're totally alike because each person is his own. I mean, there are 4, 5, you might have a twin brother, but even there'll be a slight difference. So as an actor, I tried to do that. And maybe I did succeed because I managed in that time not to get typecast in the sense that I felt people used to say that like in males, there was Anupam who was doing both comedy and tragedy and villainish. I was doing a vampish. I was doing Prem Granth along with
Rifat B in Kuch Kuch Hota Hai.
In Rifat B, that was totally different.
Yeah.
And Mehendi, which was another negative
out
kind.
And out.
And I did positive also. And I did comic films that did very well. Because, I was fortunate. I am fortunate. Was kind of that comedy timing, fortunately, I haven't. So, because that is a little tough.
You
can do a serious acting. That is because, you see, it's very difficult to make people laugh. It's easy to make the people cry. Because, people cry not because, of course, your acting convinces them, but they remember their own pain.
Yeah.
And then they cry. Right. But to make people laugh is you have to make them forget their
pain and then make them laugh.
Whatever pain or whatever frustration they have in their life, and then they can enjoy. That requires something special.
If you had to pick one role that has been the most challenging, which one and why?
Every role that I did has been very challenging because I looked at each role as something new that I had to do. So it's very difficult to pick up something which is very challenging. But sometimes, when I did a little over the top roles, I remember in Prem Granth, I had to wear these, I was playing the role of a prostitute. I was wearing this low-cut dress. I used to fight with Chimpuji every day. I said, you're like your like your grandson. He used to expose his heroines. So, मेरे को क्यों expose कर रहा है? So that was a little against me because basically I'm a very, although the roles I've done are a little more, you can say, loud, तो मैं नहीं कहूँगी because loud is bad. I mean, they're not the quieter kind,
correct.
which you've done well.
They're peppy.
The peppiness is there, the zaniness in them. I'm more of a quiet person. Like, if you ask me, basically, I'm happy with a book. In between shots, I'm reading a book. Or, I am a budding writer. You can say I've always been writing since you told me you're a writer. So I'm a quieter kind of a person.